Chaga. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make Chaga Nut Milk. It's like saying Shaba, but you say Chaga. So anyway, okay, so Chaga is a mushroom and it is great for us. It's great for our immunity, great for our skin, great for our physical strength and stamina. We're going to be making a powerhouse nut milk, and this nut milk will be alkaline. An alkaline Chaga Nut Milk, okay? So get ready. We'll use this recipe as a base for a lot of our other recipes that we use for the week. So why not make your nut milk just a little bit more nutritious by adding chaga mushroom to it? All right, so let's get ready. Let's go. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Come on. Here's the start of our nut milk. It's ChagaMilk Drink Mix from North American Herb and Spice. I will put a link below to get a discount code, but this tastes kind of like chocolate. And here we go. Okay, this is so simple. How you make a really quick nut milk. You'll never have to buy nut milk again if you don't like. We're just gonna add our water, our dates, our butter, and we're gonna add our chaga mix in there. You can add about 2 tablespoons of nut butter to a cup of water, as much as or little as you like, and you're going to add about 2 teaspoons of the chaga mix. You can also add ashwagandha powder, you can add Maca Root powder, you can add anything to make your nut milks more nutritious. All right, we're going to blend for about 2 to 3 minutes with the low setting, and then we'll just speed it up and we'll just wait. All right, so now we blended this for about 2 minutes or so, and we're all done. This is a quick way of making any type of nut milk. You don't have to use the nuts. You can also just use the nut butter. Okay, let's try it. It's frothy. This is my taste test. That's really good. I love the dates. Oh man, this is gonna be great. All right, and we're just gonna add the rest of it into our storage for the week. And just like that, we have our nut milk for the week. I'm gonna put a lid on this and store it, and we can use it for everything we're gonna use this week. Easy peasy. I'm gonna show you how to make a really quick breakfast cereal, all alkaline. Take some quinoa, it could be leftover. You're gonna add some bananas right on top. Then we're gonna add a dash of chia seed, a dash of hemp seed. Let's go ahead and add some pumpkin seeds, a little bit of cinnamon, and add our chaga milk. It's like a cereal, guys. It's gonna be so good. A great way to get a really powerful breakfast, nutritious to the core, with the quinoa, with the chaga nut milk, with the hemp seeds and chia seeds. Oh my feet. But very good breakfast. Now I'm ready for my workout.